Is FAL.AI actually worth it? Or is it just another AI tool riding the hype wave in 2026? Because let's be real, every week there's a game-changing AI platform that claims it's going to replace workflows, save hours of work, and boost productivity instantly. But does FAL.AI actually deliver on that promise? Or is it just another shiny tool that sounds better than it performs? Let's break it down honestly. Introduction. So FAL.AI is an AI platform that focuses mainly on fast inference for generative AI models. In simple terms, it helps developers and creators run AI models like image generation, video generation, and other machine learning tasks much faster through optimized infrastructure. The big promise here is speed and scalability. Instead of waiting long processing times or dealing with heavy local setups, FAL.AI aims to give you quick access to powerful AI models through the cloud. And honestly, that's a pretty attractive idea, especially in a world where AI tools are getting heavier and more resource demanding. Product overview. Now, here's how it basically works. FAL.AI provides API-based access to different AI models. So instead of downloading massive models or setting up complex environments, you just connect through their system and run everything remotely. It's mainly built for developers building AI apps, creators generating AI images or content, companies needing scalable AI processing, people who want faster model execution without heavy hardware. The standout feature here is speed optimization. The platform is designed to reduce latency when running models, which can make a huge difference if you're working with real-time applications or production environments. It also supports integration with different AI workflows, which makes it more flexible for technical users compared to simple click and generate AI tools. But here's the thing. This is not really a beginner-friendly AI tool. If you're expecting something like a simple chatbot or drag-and-drop AI generator, this is a different category entirely. It's more back-end focused.
Real user feedback. Reddit section. Now, I checked discussions from developers and AI communities because this is exactly the kind of tool people either love or completely ignore, depending on their use case. And the feedback is actually pretty split. On the positive side, a lot of developers say FAL.AI is extremely fast compared to setting up models locally. Some users mention it saved them a lot of time when building AI-powered apps or testing models at scale. People working on image generation pipelines or AI SaaS products especially seem to appreciate the speed and simplicity of API access. But there's also the other side. Some users say the learning curve is a bit steep if you're not already familiar with AI development. Others mention that costs can add up quickly if you're running a lot of requests. And a few casual users basically said, "This is powerful, but I don't even know what to do with it." Which honestly sums it up pretty well. It's not that the tool is bad, it's that it's very specific in who it's built for. Conclusion. So is FAL.AI worth it? Honestly, yes, but only if you're the right user. If you're a developer, AI builder, or someone creating applications that rely on fast model inference, this platform can be genuinely powerful and efficient. But if you're a casual user just looking for AI tools to generate images, write content, or experiment for fun, this is probably overkill, and there are much simpler alternatives out there. So the real takeaway is this. FAL.AI isn't trying to be an everyday AI tool.